Welcome to Astronomy Daily. I'm your host, Anna, and today we've got a lot of news to cover and some fascinating developments in space exploration and astronomical discoveries. We'll start with an incredible milestone aboard the International Space Station, where astronaut Suni Williams has just broken the record for total spacewalking time during a crucial maintenance mission with fellow astronaut Butch Wilmore. It seems to be their week, doesn't it? Then we'll dive into the latest updates on Boeing's Starliner investigation, where engineers are making significant progress in understanding what went wrong during last year's test flight. Get ready for some mind-bending numbers as we explore a groundbreaking discovery of hundreds of hidden supermassive black holes lurking in the cosmos, and why scientists believe there could be billions more out there. We'll also examine intriguing new research about Mars's ancient climate that's helping us understand how the red planet may have sustained liquid water billions of years ago. And finally, we'll look at some spectacular new views of our planet, including a unique perspective from a Japanese moonlander and an exciting new way to watch Earth from space in stunning 4K resolution. So, let's get into it. A remarkable spacewalk took place yesterday aboard the International Space Station, where NASA astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore ventured outside for a critical maintenance mission lasting over 5 hours. During this spacewalk, Williams achieved something truly extraordinary. She surpassed former astronaut Peggy Whitson's record for total spacewalking time, bringing her cumulative time in the vacuum of space to an impressive 62 hours and 6 minutes. The primary objective of their mission was to remove faulty radio communications hardware, specifically an S-band antenna system that had previously resisted removal attempts during 2 earlier spacewalks. Using a specially designed wrench tool, Williams and Wilmore successfully extracted the problematic equipment, which will be returned to Earth for refurbishment. But the mission didn't stop there. After completing the hardware removal, Wilmore conducted a fascinating experiment, collecting samples from various locations on the station's exterior. This experiment aims to determine whether the ISS releases microorganisms into space, a crucial investigation for future space exploration. While we thoroughly sterilize all spacecraft and spacesuits before launch, humans carry their own microorganisms, which are constantly regenerating. Understanding which microorganisms can survive in the harsh environment of space has significant implications for our upcoming Artemis missions to the Moon and eventual human missions to Mars. Scientists are particularly interested in learning whether any of these microscopic stowaways could become what we call extremophiles, organisms capable of surviving in the most challenging conditions, similar to those found in deep-sea hydrothermal vents here on Earth. This spacewalk marks Williams's 9th venture outside the station and Wilmore's 5th, but only the first time together, contributing to the ongoing legacy of the ISS's maintenance and scientific advancement. Their experience and expertise were evident throughout the mission, as they methodically worked through their tasks while floating 250 miles above our planet. They're just getting on with the job, while controversy over their return seems to be swirling around them down here on Earth. And an update concerning the two of them. In a significant update from NASA's Aerospace Safety Advisory Panel, Boeing and NASA are making substantial progress in their investigation of the issues that arose during last year's Starliner test flight. The mission, which carried astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams to the International Space Station, encountered several challenges that ultimately led to the spacecraft returning to Earth without its crew. The investigation teams have begun closing out various flight observations and addressing in-flight anomalies. However, one critical issue remains under intense scrutiny: the spacecraft's propulsion system. Multiple thrusters unexpectedly shut down during the approach to the station, and the system experienced concerning helium leaks. These propulsion system anomalies are still being actively investigated through ongoing test campaigns. Teams are currently working on 3 fronts: determining the root cause of the thruster problems, developing recommendations for modifications to future missions, and examining both technical and organizational factors that may have contributed to these issues. The safety panel has expressed confidence that NASA and Boeing are focusing their attention on the right core issues and following an appropriate path towards safely flying Starliner again. Looking ahead to future flights, NASA is keeping all options on the table for achieving system certification. While specific timing hasn't been announced, the agency is exploring potential flight opportunities for Starliner in 2025. This careful approach reflects NASA's commitment to ensuring all safety concerns are fully addressed before the next mission. The financial impact of these delays continues to affect Boeing, with the company anticipating another significant charge against earnings in the fourth quarter of 2024. Meanwhile, leadership changes are occurring within the program, including the planned retirement of Mark Nappy, who served as Starliner's program manager during the test flight. This thorough investigation demonstrates the space industry's unwavering commitment to safety and the methodical approach required when developing human spaceflight systems. While progress may seem slow to outside observers, this meticulous attention to detail is essential for ensuring the safety of future astronaut crews. It seems we find out something new about black holes almost every day, and today is no exception. In an exciting astronomical breakthrough, scientists have discovered hundreds of previously hidden, supermassive black holes lurking in the depths of our universe. These cosmic giants, each containing at least 100,000 times the mass of our sun, were found by using innovative infrared detection methods to peer through dense clouds of cosmic dust and gas that had kept them hidden from view. What makes this discovery particularly fascinating is that it suggests we've been significantly underestimating the number of supermassive black holes in our universe. While previous estimates suggested that about 15% of these massive objects were hidden from view, new research indicates that number could be closer to 35% or possibly even 50%. This means there could be billions or perhaps even trillions of these cosmic behemoths scattered throughout the universe. To make these discoveries, astronomers combined data from NASA's infrared astronomical satellite and the Nuclear Spectroscopic Telescope Array. Even though the infrared satellite operated for just 10 months back in 1983, its data proved invaluable when combined with modern observations, allowing researchers to detect the infrared signatures of these hidden giants. These findings aren't just about adding numbers to our cosmic census. They're reshaping our understanding of how galaxies form and evolve. Supermassive black holes appear to play a crucial role in controlling galaxy formation, acting like cosmic architects that help determine the size and structure of their host galaxies. In fact, our own Milky Way would look quite different without its central black hole. We'd likely see many more stars in our night sky if it weren't for its influence. The discovery also demonstrates how far our detection capabilities have come. By using multiple wavelengths of light and combining historical data with new observations, astronomers are increasingly able to pierce through the cosmic veils that have hidden these massive objects from view. This multi-wavelength approach is opening new windows into the universe, allowing us to see what was previously invisible and helping us better understand the cosmic forces that shape our universe. Time now for a Mars update. In groundbreaking new research from Harvard School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, scientists have uncovered fascinating details about Mars's ancient climate patterns. The red planet, which we know was once much wetter and more Earth-like, apparently experienced dramatic swings between hot and cold periods during its early history. These temperature fluctuations occurred between 4 and 3 billion years ago, with each cycle lasting at least 100,000 years within a broader 40 million year period. What's particularly intriguing is how Mars managed to maintain its warmth despite being further from the sun, which was also fainter in those early days. The key to this climate puzzle appears to be hydrogen in the Martian atmosphere. When hydrogen combined with carbon atoms, it created carbon dioxide that trapped heat through the greenhouse effect, similar to what we experience on Earth today. But here's the fascinating part. The process that kept Mars warm had an ironic twist. As the planet lost water from its atmosphere to the ground, it actually replenished the atmospheric hydrogen, helping to sustain these warm periods. The chemical changes during these periods were equally complex. Carbon dioxide in the atmosphere would react with sunlight to produce carbon monoxide. During warm spells, this carbon monoxide would convert back to carbon dioxide in a continuous cycle. However, if Mars stayed cold for too long, this recycling process would stall, leading to a buildup of carbon monoxide and oxygen. While these findings help explain how Mars maintained liquid water on its surface, they also raise interesting questions about the possibility of ancient Martian life. The temperature swings and changing oxygen levels might have created challenging conditions for any potential life forms. When temperatures dropped and oxygen levels rose, any existing organisms would have faced significant survival challenges. Looking ahead, scientists plan to test these theories by examining actual Martian rocks and soil that NASA hopes to bring back to Earth through the Mars Sample Return mission. This could help us finally unlock the secrets of Mars's lost world and better understand the complex history of our neighboring planet. Space photography has given us some remarkable new perspectives this week, with two exciting developments capturing our attention. Japanese space company iSpace's Resilience lunar lander has provided us with a striking view of Earth from its current orbital position, offering a unique glimpse of our planet's most remote location. The image, taken from approximately 6,000 miles above Earth, captured Point Nemo, the most isolated spot on our planet, situated nearly 1,670 miles from the nearest land. The photo serves as a poignant reminder of the vast emptiness of space as Resilience continues its 4-month journey toward its planned landing site in the moon's Mare Frigoris, or Sea of Cold. In other imaging news, we're now able to experience the overview effect, that profound shift in perspective astronauts report when seeing Earth from space, thanks to a new set of Ultra HD cameras installed on the International Space Station. The Space TV-1 camera suite, operated by space streaming company Sen, is now providing continuous 4K views of our planet and the surrounding space environment. This groundbreaking system features 3 distinct cameras offering different perspectives, one capturing Earth's curved horizon, another providing detailed views of our planet's surface, covering areas of about 150 by 110 miles, and a third focused on the station's forward docking port. The cameras have already proven their worth, capturing impressive footage of various phenomena, including Hurricane Milton last October. The live stream is freely available to the public, marking a significant step forward in making space more accessible to everyone. While there are occasional interruptions due to communication dead spots, this unprecedented access to real-time views from space represents a remarkable achievement in bringing the space station experience to viewers worldwide. These developments demonstrate how space imaging technology continues to advance, providing us with ever more detailed and immediate ways to observe both our home planet and humanity's ongoing ventures into space. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, I'll include a link in the show notes. But be warned, you could find yourself mesmerized and wind up spending a lot of time just looking at it. I know I did. And with that, we come to the end of another fascinating episode of Astronomy Daily. From Suni Williams' record-breaking spacewalk to the discovery of hundreds of hidden black holes, from Mars's ancient climate swings to stunning new views of Earth from space, it's been quite a journey through today's space news. I'm Anna, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you're hungry for more space and astronomy content, visit us at astronomydaily.io, where you can sign up for our free daily newsletter and catch up on all the latest news updates. You'll also find our complete episode archive there, perfect for diving deeper into the cosmos. Stay connected with us across social media by searching for Astro Daily Pod on Facebook, X, YouTube, Tumblr, and TikTok. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast. You'll find us on all major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious about the wonders of our universe.